Udlabelungu man. Nigeria man. Aye man.
Nyakhipha wena sana.
Okay, sorry, boss. Sorry. I won't say it again. Imsukele, sorry, boss. As more right ganja ni men ukusukela ngapress along press. Sorry. Mu canceling no muntu. Yeah, attitude, agirali attitude. Mu canceling. No. You love me, my friend. I know you won't take me out. You are my friend. Scotts, Maphuma. No, say. Scott, let me do this. No, let me show you. Let me show you how it's done. Fella, this name Scotts Machichutis came with me. Scotts Maphuma. No, say. Scotts Maphuma. No, say. Scotts my attitude. Yes, say. Scotts my attitude. Yes, say. Scotts Maphuma. No, say. Scotts Maphuma. No, say. Scotts my attitude. Yes, say. Scotts my attitude. Yes, say. Wakaga.
I won't lose on Ukakilan man.
Okay. Some Lungu, let me tell you. The reason why I have passport today is because of Scotts Maphuma. I mean Scotts my attitude. But he gave me a passport while he still Scotts Maphuma. Names. And both of these names, they have hit songs. You know who's the only guy who's doing that in South Africa?
Scotts for attitude side.
Bona belungu yahleka, bona belungu yahleka, shuthi ithe 69 Bona belungu yahleka, shuthi ithe abamnyama. Nyanyiswa yithi. Wabona thina ubona kahle ukuthi safelisi esinye. No, listen, boss. No, listen. I love you. I love you, boss. Like serious now. I love you. Yo, in my life, I make a mlungu person laugh. I made it. Let me tell you, I made it. I make a white lady laugh. I never did that in my life. Since. You are the first white person to laugh at my jokes. And all thanks to Scott. Scott, you are the first person. You see how important you are in my life. You are the first person to do me a passport. You are the first person to make me make a white person laugh. You are the first. You're always the first person. Always.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Yes. So please forgive me, boss. No, I will behave now.
I'll bear what you commenting.
No, I'll behave. Hey, because if I'm on the comment, Mlungu doesn't see my comment. He talk, and he's ignoring my comment. So you coming back next week?
Next week?
Or when?
I need. August. Yeah, you have a problem?
No, I don't have.
Oh.
JPL speaker. Mlungu, listen to this speaker. Yes. Do you know a JPL speaker? Mlungu, do you know what is a JPL speaker? Yes, listen. Hello, soul.
Look at the
voice. Giving you that speaker. You only hear the JPL speaker, right? How are you, my friend?
What's going on?
Welcome to Afghanistan FM Revolver Falaka. I'm always there.
Let me do this. It is 95.9, exactly 21 minutes after the hour 10. Right here on Instagram. It is Afghanistan FM with the one and only Scotts My Attitude with a welcoming song by himself. It is called We Are Papa Man.
So
And of
funny.
course, I'm joined by the one and only Soul Revolver. And the beautiful lady, her name is Mlungu. Right here on Instagram, 21 minutes after 10 on a Wednesday evening. Right here
What's
on
going on? What's going on?
Afghanistan
What's going
FM.
on? What's going on? Revolve easy.
You know, Scotts, man, you're just chilling out here, bro. Nothing much, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Just watching
Yo,
your live
intenyo
video.
inyoba after the live. Abakhela bazobe basilahlela kimi. Hey Shaba, I saw you live with Scott. Yo, Mlungu, no, I'm saying Mlungu. I'm saying girls will be like doing like this in my DMs because I was live with Scott. You know, they will be throwing themselves, throwing.
You see?
So now
So what
I'm
are you
saying,
saying? The girls would be what?
so like they fly to my DMs. They say, "Hey Shaba, I see you live with Scott. Can I be your girlfriend?" So I'm telling them that nah, I can't. Like, you
Okay,
get what I'm
there'll
saying?
be few.
Until it's a car.
Yes, yes. Revolver, my friend.
Yeah, my friend, what's going on, bro?
You are the only person that knows that I was live on TikTok with 3,000 people. But they said Scott Maphuma is live on Instagram. Please end the live now. And I ended the live, didn't I?
You ended. Maraba Figala, they were busy with stories.
No, there's no Mara. Don't use Mara. Mlungu must hear us. If you say Mara, she will think
Sorry.
we're discussing about the land. No, don't. You don't have to say Mara. You must.
Ish.
Yes, continue. Continue. So I ended the live, Malume Scott, just because of you.
Ay, ntwana yampeka kusazonyiwa.
Yes. Do you love me, Scott Maphuma?
No, poison. I like you.
Okay, please. Do you love me, Scott Attitude?
No! Uzonginyela wena.
Yeah, yes. Very. I met Scott Maphuma. Didn't meet Scott Attitude. Scott Maphuma said he likes me. Scott Attitude, he said he doesn't like me. Can't tell him. Mukanteleng! What are the attitude?
Huh?
No, sir. Revolver, I love you, my friend. I love you. Kalaila, no.
Talabang Susan, I was okay, bro. That was
Yeah.
okay.
Phela la yiwo in charge la. Yiwo in charge.
This is
Afghanistan
your house. We are
yanyiwa la
finally
lona.
at your house.
Yipo.
I'm serious, like from the deep bottom of my heart. I missed you. I even posted you today. I say, yo, I miss my brother, my boss, my everything. Yeah, you mean everything to me, you know, Scott.
I know my friend Mara hasn't got this way into what.
Mm.
Which one is I'm push it? Revolver with as an as I talk. Revolver thing is ego. Guys, Revolver thing is ego. Gabana man.
So funang calling try advert, man.
No,
Yeah, chaya man.
Mara Scott,
Guys,
Scott.
Soul Revolver uthengisa yabona nyabachela by 2.5 namhlanje. Soul Revolver uthengisa ego guys the winter. Ngiyacela guys. Ngicela ongathi uzimisele or ufunayo amthinte nala ku Instagram. Ego
Yes.
bafethu.
Yes.
Kuyabanda. Ezabantwana zikhona ngithi.
Yes, every
Yeah,
year
it's called as a one time.
from
I'm not
child
everything.
to yes,
Yeah.
every year from young to old. Yes.
Yes, yes.
This is about
Nazo-ke.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
nationwide.
okuningi. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. And also
Hayi,
This
sithengisi lezi zakashaba, akathengisi lezi zakashaba. Uthengisa lezi aziphethe revolver. Hayi lezi zakashaba lezi.
yes.
kunani nje ezibhaya nje kunalesi
Yes, please
elikhala nje.
support. No, don't support. You don't have to buy because you want to support. Please buy because you want to and they are nice. So please DM my friend Soul Revolver, and or if you want to DM me and ask for the prices and all that, you can also DM me and yeah, I will. Yeah, but if you DM me, you will have to come and fetch them in my room and make sure
Alingadie
you give them.
mushaba uyizongishela endlini. Hayi. DM
Yeah, if
ani
you DM me, make sure you. You're not
Guys,
on the
Yabona
period.
umngane wami uScott ungifakile ningawari naye esakho uzosithola this week uthe uyabuya nami ngikhona this week.
yeah,
I
please.
will
Please, 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 please,
be by
please.
Scotts.
Why is
If
him
you am
gonna?
right here, better on. I'm riding 250. Then yeah, we'll discuss. So not just
How do you
me
ask
and Scott.
username? You can see here, Soul Revolver. You don't know Soul Revolver. This thing of you is downloading Instagram right now after COVID. It will hit you. Everyone knows Soul Revolver. Who doesn't know this voice? Come on, man. Yes, yes. So,
Yeah.
boys,
Afghanistan FM says that they love TxC. Ne? They said that
who's TxC?
I owe me when the fuck we Afghanistan FM one.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Shit. Mama ngini into.
Oh, Abangena Scott to Abangena, they are coming through. Thank you, Ngana.
Yeah,
This
Anton,
week.
obviously. You
Hey.
win, you win
Now,
somebody.
yeah, ngizohlezi ngenza
Are you
isikole
in?
ukuthi
Now
ngazi
let's just
okay.
call Namara. Let's is different.
Yo, 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 another, yo. Scott, you made it, my friend. Listen, Scott, you worked hard for this. When I grow up, I want to be like you. No, you made it, Scott. And now I agree. From Davidson to this, no, they should leave you. Muegeled. You listen. You deserve everything that you have. You deserve all the hit songs. You deserve to have attitude. I also have attitude. Stay with these women every day. Yo. Aisham, my friend. Salute. Hello, Mlungu.
Hi.
How are you? Yo.
I'm good and you?
Yes. You.
You
Yes,
want
me
me?
too. So, where do you from? Also from Nigeria.
Yeah.
You.
Do you want
I.
me? I want you.
You want me?
I want you.
Where are you now? Where are you? Where are you?
I'm here.
Send address. How much is boiled? Come now. Please.
No, like Uber X in Yana, Uber Black.
What is that?
Ooh.
Yeah, I'll call. My friend is driving a black Bolt. He's black also. The black Renault. Black. Serious. Yo. You and me, like, you serious? Yo, this girl is beautiful, guys. Are you also created by God? If it's God, then that means we are punished. Why are we like this and you are like this? Why is my... Yo. You are beautiful, Shem. Yo,
Trouble to
look.
to send the
Pana
dress.
look, bang, ang pana bambamba kanjani, usko. Yo, here's no mutu lang pana 2 years ago, not 2 years ago. 2 years ago. 2 years ago, this guy was using a taxi to go to Joburg. Today he's brushed by white ladies. You beautiful, okay?
Thank you. Love you. Love me
Yo,
back.
yeah,
Love me back.
I love you back.
Thank you.
No, Shaba, no.
Yo, hey, brother.
Shaba, I love you too. I love you, Pekanja.
I
Don't do that.
Zami, hey.
Yes, what the revolver said to you.
Afghanistan FM has love. Here it's all about
Shaba.
positivity. They know that if you do
Yes,
a mistake, here if you comment shit, I sing about your mother, your grandmother, your uncle, and your auntie. And it
yes,
becomes
it's
a
true.
hit. So they know that I here. So here is only positivity and positivity only.
So no love, just
Yes.
positivity.
And love, obviously. Love.
Yeah, not just positivity. We positive here.
Okay.
You see this one say, Footek Scott. People like this, we don't entertain them. You
Actually,
know.
structure, you should enjoy
Pause. Do you want the power bank?
it. Popping. Wasn't it popping? Zala
Oh,
tana. Ezongishaya ukhotmana udali.
manje Tracy now.
Yeah, mfazi wami lo ngeke ngizwa. Ayithi lo chiro umlungu ngeke ngizwa.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tracy mfazi wami. Tracy umfazi wami.
Impossible.
Ubani?
Yeah.
Manje Lona yena.
Trace.
Ubani?
Tracy vocalist. Ichiriam. Like, ngamncane.
Thank you, Danayaga. Thank you, Danayaga. Thank you, Danayaga. Thank you, Danayaga.
Bilang lawyer, nah.
That makes the stick on you. Do you have to keep it?
What?
What?
What do you say? I
Lawyer,
beg you
not law.
pardon.
Hold the two together.
I beg you pardon.
Yeah, bring a cable.
What if you go and stand almost like this in front?
Hold on, we're gonna get the cable.
I wish I must hold it. I show some I didn't roll a span, please in front.
God, your guys really noisy. Righty? Let me tell you now. Hey, Aisha, let me keep quiet. We'll say what.
Let me keep quiet.
Ah, Mercy, I want to say this in front of the country. I don't have crush on you anymore. I want this girl with Scotts now. Beautiful, you're more than you. Let me show you. Show me Scotts. Let me show. I want to show Mercy that I'm talking about.
Let me
What
show you what to show.
Please show Mercy. I want to show Mercy that I'm talking about the girl that is like what? Let me show her. Mlungu, can you please appear small? Can you please appear small? Like you go, then you say hi.
I can't do it.
Again, what?
Oh, the charger in the charger.
So Revolver.
Oh!
Yeah,
I see
Is
now.
this a
that's a
FM
good
time?
man. Ish.
Hey.
Yes.
Oh,
I thought I
so
was telling
clear.
you the games in Magaku.
Ngada hello elagos.
Glennis, I don't trust this ball, you know.
There you go.
But it's been standing, it's been with me.
Mine's a ring light.
I think like much.
No, I'm saying so Mlungu, hello Mlungu. Yes, please appear small. I want to show Mercy that I'm talking with what kind of woman. Yo, Mercy, don't take me for granted. I don't want you anymore, Mercy. You see people that I talk to. Look at this person, created by God. No mistake. No mistake. No mistake. You see beautiful women only. Yes.
Yo, Donor.
Okay, boss. No problem, boss. I can't respond. Whatever you say, it's okay.
Huh.
Dolam. Vananya
Yeah.
kwela lese ligogo poison.
When I was in that, now figure here immediately in church. I mean, I'm now straight, man.
Those ones? Okay, super cute. Super
No, but
Thank you,
cute.
mine, they
sir.
are not. What about mine? What about mine?
Are you selling that?
Obvious. Very,
How much is
very
it?
running. Yes. You
How
see,
can we get it? How much is it?
Moria, come to Moria. The
Where?
main
Where's
shop
the
is
where's that? Where's that?
Moria. The main shop is in Limpopo. So this one you don't send it via
But I
Pepsi
can
or what.
see that.
Put it down.
The phone fainted.
Shut paper.
So
Dolam din
so
sa studio yung sa live mang fi studio ke po.
Ish.
okay. But you just
I got,
ngale ke?
I got
Onya
flop
nga
is
da.
good too.
Yeah,
Yeah,
siyang.
so I got flip side.
Ay na flop okay. Guys,
I
Oh,
love
di
you, Scott
look
Maphuma.
at the
I love you,
mafia,
Scott
yeah.
Matitude. I love you both, Mlungu P. Guys, people. I love you, girls. Beautiful, too much, too much, too much. Yes, me too, baby. They also won. Yes. Yo, you PS, you put them. Why you put it in the thing here?
Yo, I'm up like a
Emma Black Yake. Yeah, but Scott Maphuma is making you beautiful. You stay with beautiful women. Yeah, Scott Maphuma. Yes. I want to be friend of Scott. Yo. Yes.
Look, so I got to treat me with
Mang, ngeke khona kuba mina.
Mama
Ngiyekukhona.
asikhulumeni iqiniso before angazi uScotts veyani attitude ngingamhlanyisa ngiyinkinga
Ya Chapo
hola
man.
Chapo
Indalani Chapo. Yeah,
mnandi
yeah,
wena
yeah.
mnandi yes Papa Dad I love you Dad love you so much
He calls you dad. Papta.
no Papa
Happy.
is Kabza the small this one is Scott's my attitude maybe you can Kabza my attitude you can call him yeah, this one is Kabza Machitu, then there's Kabza the Small. If you want to call him Papta, then it means you must start by saying Kabza Ma attitude. Then you can say Papta to him.
There's one.
Papta, I
There's
love
one.
you.
There's only one papta. Hey, there's only one papta. Hey, hey.
Yes, the one,
I am Scott's
the
my
king of our
attitude.
fear. Yes,
There's
there's
only
only
one
one
papta.
Papta and only one what?
Scott's my attitude.
Scott's my attitude.
Yes.
From
One papta.
today,
Which is
from today.
Gabriel.
And you know one thing I noticed,
Hmm.
is that I love you every day, my father.
Ah,
Every day.
Oh my
every day.
god.
You see, Mlungu, let me tell you, Mlungu. Mlungu. Hello, Mlungu. I talk to Scotts, what's up, ne? And me talk alone. Always busy, no respond. But me, when want shoes or something, he send money and say, go buy that thing. Only respond when I need something. But
He's a good
he
man.
type
He's a good
something.
man.
Yes, when I call and say, can please want 200, send 500. I say, hello, Scott, no response. Hello, Scott, I want food, send 200. Hello, Scott, no response. Hello, Scott, I
You
don't
must
have a
tell him what you
TV.
want. He doesn't want to chat. You must just tell him what he must fix and then he's gonna fix it.
Fast.
Okay,
He
let
doesn't
me,
want to talk too
yeah,
much shit.
yes, no, because I have a chance. Let me just go straight to, I want Mlungu. Please do fast.
Ah, I want.
Because I have a child.
Hi, Martin. I'll just chief the veggie saying
I love flop into I am. I
love
love
you
flop.
so
I love
much.
flop. I love flop.
TxC. And I
I'm not
know you
smoking
guys. I know you
shit.
guys. And I love you guys.
Yeah, taco,
Sharp,
taco,
every
taco,
ball
taco,
must see
taco,
a
taco,
bet.
taco, 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 taco,
Is
taco.
I
your
love
girl
flop. I love flop.
Canyon? Please accept my request. You must work hard. Hey, we worked hard. We accepted also. Asambi ngane mfana.
I love
Asambi
flop. Hey,
mfethu.
speak to Zuktin Pin is available 250. Yeah, I'm Lapo Soul Revolver. Sisonke. Outro.
Taco
Asambi
nice.
mngane msengane.
Ngololo.
Abana, 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 abana. Ay, 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 ay. Moo, moo. Guys, nyabongani. It was nice. 99.9 Afghanistan FM. We bring nothing but the best content, best music, best everything, my friends. Obvious. Best life. Afghanistan FM. Instagram has ever seen. Obviously. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, Tango!